Hey YouTubers, 95 Speed GTA. I wanted to show you on how to replace your pump motor. This is your wash pump motor, and sometimes a lot of people will get stuck on this part right here. First of all, you don't have to take this apart. When you buy a new motor, it's gonna come fully assembled like this. I only took this off because I wanted to see why the pump failed, and if you want to look into that, all you got to do is take this off. It's really simple. It's just a little press fitting right there. You push it in and you turn it and it'll come right out. It almost looks like a pump motor from like a pump. I mean, it is a pump motor, but like the pond pumps. Very simple. Wow. Yeah, this is shot. But when I opened this thing up, there was all kinds of grimy gook in there, and to be honest with you, every time we use the dishwasher, we always clean the filter out. So I don't know what happened, but this is really important, is this gasket. Whatever you do, don't pull on it. I'm going to show you how to take it off. Get yourself a thick flathead screwdriver, and you see these little walls here. Well, what you want to do is you want to place the flathead screwdriver. There's going to be a void, as you can see right there, and you just want to put the flathead screwdriver in and go like this. Turn it like that. You go around to the next one, turn it like that. You see how it's coming off? You want to go really easy with this thing. You don't want to rip it, and whatever you do, don't try to pull it off, because you're going to wind up breaking it. So you just go on the wall like so, and you turn it, and as you turn it, it starts coming off, and you just go around and it'll come off completely. Let's test it out. See, comes right off. All you got to do is that. Just be patient. It comes right out. Flathead screwdriver right up against the wall. Go like this, and just go around until it's loosened, and it'll come right out. I think a lot of people, when they go to transfer this over to the new pump, they sit there and they're pulling on it and they're pulling on it. And remember that when you put it in, this end goes up against that way. What I would do is get some silicone spray, spray some silicone spray in there, and then just seat it. Whoop. Luckily this is garbage. You just seat it, and you go all the way up to this part. This inner part right here is sitting flush up against these. Just make sure you do that, and you won't have any leaks.